So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make some a beaded bracelet using some of these forget what kind of beads they call these. I just went completely blank. Oh, seed beads. Seed beads. So I got these from Walmart. So we're gonna use these seed beads here. I have this bead device that I ordered from Amazon. Some Stretch Magic. I love this this Stretch Magic because it's very thin and stretchy that you use to make your bracelet. And a pair of scissors. Now, if you want to, and you can also use some glue also at the end to secure your bracelet. But for this video, just for a practice and just for a demonstration, we won't use any glue today. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take out, oh, and you're going to also need a needle. So let me just get this out of here. You can use one of these kind of needles here with the little hook. I don't use this one because it's hard to thread through. I'm going to show you the kind of needle that I use. Let me get my stuff out of this box first. I use one of these needles here that I got from, it's called the Big Eye needle, and I got this from Michael's. And this is what I use to do my, when I do my, use my seed beads to make my bracelets, okay? So let me show you how everything looks. So you have two pieces. This is one piece, and then this is the other piece. And so it goes on top of each other like this, and it just spins it around, okay? So I am going to take the camera down so you all can see exactly what I am doing here. Okay. Oh, maybe right here. So there we have it. So I'm going to set the camera up so that you can see exactly what I am doing. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna spin it around like this today. I was trying to film in another location, and so it's gonna be a little difficult for me to use both pieces. But take your Stretch Magic, and I normally just kind of like measure my wrist on how long I want it to be, and then give me enough room to tie it. And so we're just gonna cut it right there. I don't really know how many inches this is or anything because I don't measure with a ruler. I just do like I do. Oh, and then we're gonna put our beads in here. So you put your beads in here and you kind of like make sure it's filled up. Be careful because they're gonna fly everywhere. So I want you to be able to see what I am doing. So let me get these in here. And you just make sure you just even it around so it can be enough around everywhere. Trying to keep it in the front so you guys can see. Okay. So as you can see, I've got quite a few beads in here. Okay. So now you're going to take your Big Eye needle and you're going to open it up. There's a little, it's kind of hard sometimes, a little space in here where you can open it up. Because I am on camera and filming, it don't want to open up. Come on and open up. Let me get another one. I have another one in here that I know works. Let me get this one. Okay, guys, so there, I got it open. So it's like right in the middle, but sometimes it's so hard to open. So I take my Stretch Magic and I just take it and I just put it through like that. And I just leave a little space. Now, you can hold it with your hand like this, or either you can get like a clip or something to put on the end so the beads won't roll all the way down. But I am going to just hold it with my hands this time for the sake of the video. And so what you do is you took your needle and you're gonna just point it down towards your beads. And then just spin your beads around like this. Let me show you. See, you're just spinning, and then the beads are on there. And you just roll them down. And ta-da, there it goes. So you just take your needle, just stick it down there close to the edge, towards the wall of it, and spin it. And it would go faster if I was using the bottom, but I wanted you all to be able to see. And then you just bring it down. And it's the easy way to do it without trying to pick up each one of these little seed beads by yourself. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just finish putting it all the way down until we get enough beads on there. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see get it tied up, okay? Okay, so we're back. So now I have the beads on there as many as I think I need, and you would just slide open and take that out and sit your needle to the side. Now what I do is I take both of my pieces, and to make sure that it's going to fit my wrist like I want it so that the beads don't fall off, I just make a tie like that, and I hold it like this. And I just try it on my wrist to make sure it's gonna fit. It may be a little big. So in that case, it's a little big. So what I'm gonna do is just take off a few of the beads. Just a few of them, about 5 or 6. Okay. Now we're gonna bring it back together again. And I think that should fit pretty good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take both ends and we're just going to make a knot like that, and then I make another one like that. And I try and keep it together, so you see how I got that little hump right there, but that's okay. This is the gist of it. So I make about 3 knots just to secure it like that. And you see how stretchy it is. So now I will try it on, and you see how it fits. Ta-da! So now you just take it off. Make sure your knot is tight and secure. And this is where, at the point, if I had my glue with me, I used the E6000 jewelry glue, and I would just put a dab of E6000 jewelry glue right there to secure it, so I know it won't come loose. So you just take your scissors and you just clip off the exit of it like that. I don't get too close, but I don't want to leave too much. And there you have your bracelet.